Hi, I'm Adam Schetzelar. I'm a physical therapist in Puyallup, Washington with Sound Balance Physical Therapy, and today we're going to learn the next exercise in the Keeping Your Core Strong series. So in the last couple, we learned about what muscles we're strengthening, and then we learned about keeping a neutral spine and a neutral pelvic position. So this is going to be our progression. We learned about the neutral spine. We're going to get immediately into that position, and we should be good at that by now. And then we're going to start with that first exercise, just lifting the pelvis and avoiding your pelvis from rocking, lifting each foot rather, and avoid that pelvic rock. We're going to then do the same exercise with the arms. We're just going to raise them up over the head. When you raise the arm, you're going to feel your ribs want to come up, and you're going to kind of want to pull into this position. We don't want to do that. We want to maintain the pelvic spine, maintain the tummy pulled in towards the spine, and we're going to raise an arm, bring it back down. Raise an arm, bring it back down. And you'll feel just a little twisting motion, and you want to resist that and hold everything firm right here. Arm, comfortable with that, and you're comfortable with these little teeny leg lifts, what we're going to do, we call this the dead bug. And what we're going to do is bring your arm up and your leg up. And the arm up and the leg up. Just like it's really the dying bug, but they call it the dead bug. It's not dead yet, but just kind of moving. Almost like you're running. And then what you can do next is a sort of variation on the theme. We're going to progress to now lifting up your pelvis and setting it back down. So we lift up. We want to maintain this neutral spine. When you lift up, some people are going to immediately go into a posterior tilt and rock that pelvis backwards and slowly pick up from the bottom up the spine. That's not what we want. Other people are going to want to roll forward as they lift and arch the other direction. What we want to do is get that neutral spine position. And we're basically staying stiff as a board. We're just lifting up from the hips. We're coming up. When you do this, you can look right at the legs, and you should be able to make a straight line from your knees right down to your shoulders. We don't want to arch up. We don't want to be sagging. We want to find that neutral spine, tuck the tummy, breathe. That's the other thing people forget to do. Don't forget to breathe. If you're going to forget something, that's not what you want to forget. So lift up, and we want to just keep a straight line, as straight as possible, and back down. So when you come back down, your whole back should basically touch at about the same time. I lost the position there just a little bit. So I tuck my tummy back in, and that's much better. And so we're lifting and slowly dropping. Lift and drop. Okay, and that's it for today. Work on those. So we went from neutral spine position to a slow march, controlling the pelvis, arm overhead, to a dead bug, dying bug, to a bridge is what we call this one. Coming up and back down. Keep working on that all week, and we'll move to the next exercise next time. So keep up the good work.